This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Opera, the popular browser, the popular web browser. Now, I recommend you go straight to this URL here. It's essentially opera.com/download. I will, of course, put that in the video description so you can click that link and you will wind up on this page. Now, Opera will instantly tell what operating system you're using. It knows here that I'm using Mac, as indicated by this Apple symbol here. Now, if you want to download it for a different system, for a different operating system, you can click See More, and the page will go down, and you see there's a ton of different options here for Windows, for Linux, Android, iOS, so on and so forth. You can use the browser on your phone as well, of course. So what you'll do is you'll click the button here. We've got this nice big button here with Download Now. Your new Opera browser is ready to install. So that has actually downloaded the Opera browser. I'm on a Mac, so it's going to go to my downloads folder, but whatever browser you're on where you have your downloads set to is where you will find the install file. So that has been a short video on how to download the Opera browser. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.